Test week.
Hey students, it's that time of the month again when we check your progress. Can you remember all the wonderful lessons that we had during this month? Don't worry, your teachers will help you remember them.
In week 1, we looked at who was the most famous Egyptian queen who tragically died being bitten by a snake. Who is it? Over to you, Tina.
Week 2, we looked at cities. Mine was the one that hosted the 2000 Olympics, and it has a fancy opera house. Do you remember?
Over to you, Timon.
In week 3, we looked at apollinology. Do you remember what it was called?
In week 4, we looked at in Easter, this is the symbol for fertility. Can you still remember it? Over to you, Brent.
Well, there you have it. Remember, do the test. Good luck.